So welcome to my mini print farm. Today we have lots of stuff to do, including finishing up an order and moving the A1 for getting ready for a new printer. So I am making a bunch of these. It is going to be a part to hold electronics inside of a boost gauge that is Nintendo themed. So I have to make 50 of these top parts, or this is a lower one. This is angled a bit differently. 10 of the top parts and 60 of these top cover plates. And I just finished printing a batch of the top cover plates, so let's get that off the build plate. Just gotta get these parts off the plate. We can print about 13 of these on one plate. I think I could fit more, but I would rather not. Alright, I just counted, and now with that build plate, we have 35 out of 60 top plates. And now we can send it again. Now these bottom plates I print with a brim. I've already gotten most of the brims off on all of these, but I have these small parts that I need to remove that normally would be super hard. But I have this tool, which is my favorite tool. I got it for Christmas. And one sec, let me show you. I forgot what it's called, but you can easily remove all of, oh my gosh, all of the brims and all that hard stuff to remove with one swipe. And now that same part looks like this. Perfect. Now I just gotta do that with the rest of these. Alright, finished that and got them all organized. I know for those bottom plates, it may not look like there are 50 of them, but half of the order has already been shipped out or given because he stopped by. Now I gotta quickly clean all of this up. Alright, I guess we will check back in tomorrow because I am recording this at like 8 p.m. But we'll continue tomorrow, see that print, and do some more stuff we need to do. Alright, so we just finished this batch, and before we move the printer, I'm going to send the last part of this order after cleaning the bed. Alright, now we are going to make this disappear. I just about moved it into place. I need to move some things, but now we got to run full calibration. Is it maintenance? Calibration. Start. Alright, so the last thing we gotta do here today is remove these from the plate and get all of this stuff in a box. Actually, before we do that, since the printer is actually only coming here by like March, I could turn this into a mini shipping station for now. I actually do need to grab more boxes from Walmart today because this is my last one and I only have this size, so I need to go to Walmart. I guess I'll include that in the video too. Okay, I just quickly labeled them. In total, I have, I think, 130 pieces. No, 120. 60 of these, 10 of these, and 50 of these. I actually need to quickly label this. Now, we just gotta package it. Alright, so let's package this thing up. Alright, I fixed up the bubble wrap, put some tape on, and now it's all ready to ship. Alright, I got some boxes from Amazon. I kind of organized it a bit, and I got the order done. I think that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.